Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days, and in today's video it's about organization. What are we going to organize today? So I'm going to show you how you can keep your earrings in an organized way so that you'll be able to pick the right earrings for the right events. What is that has helped me in this direction? Let's get started. Firstly, why do we actually need to organize anything? It's because what I feel is that the more we keep it organized and the more transparent it is, or the more visible it is, that way we are going to use it up, or we'll end up keeping it right there and not using it at the right time. This happened with me quite a lot of times because I love earrings and I hoard a lot of earrings, and I always want to change and use the right ones, but at right point you wouldn't get the right earrings. So in that case I always ended up putting that here, and on my bed would always look really bad because I would throw things out and go get dressed. So I really want to put an end to this one, and that's when I got this beautiful box from Amazon. You can see how beautiful is this, so organized. It has got this amazing beautiful sections where you can organize and keep your earrings. So, and the beautiful part about it is that it comes with an adjustable grids, like you can remove this one. See, you can remove it and make some space adjustment into it, so that if you have some bigger earrings, then you should be able to keep it also. And another tip is that you can also use it to keep your necklaces as well. So you can just make a column free by taking out all the grids, and then that way you should be able to keep some big necklace as well. So, and because it is transparent, you can easily pick whatever the earrings you want, and you can stack them as well, so that it doesn't occupy a lot of space, and pick whatever you want. Also, some earrings which actually needs that extra care, the pearl ones and all, in that case what I do is I just lay a layer of cotton, and then on that I place the earrings, and that way you don't have to really bother about it. And there are some of my favorite earrings as well, which I keep it in this I think it was a jewelry box. There's a very soft velvety structure, so that which actually gets scratched, I've kept it over here. And this is my favorite earring. I think I got it somewhere in mall, I guess, and this has been my favorite, and you've seen me wearing this in some video as well. If you want to know where I buy earrings, do let me know. I'll also share that as well. The price, I'm going to put it up here. I bought it in Amazon. It comes in various sizes as well, and various number of grids. Based on the number of earrings you have, you can choose them and buy them. These are really comfortable to use. You're going to thank me when you organize your earrings. And one more thing, I got this one from a local store in my mom's place, and this is also quite big, and I got it for some around like 150 bucks or something. And this is not adjustable, but it has got a wider sections, so that way I can actually keep a lot of earrings as well. So you can also try finding it in your local store as well, whenever you're allowed to go out whenever it is safe to go out, I mean. So you can go check it in your local store also. You can find something like that. Talking about the watches, if you've got a really good number of watches, and keeping that in a separate boxes, that will actually take a lot of space as well, and you have to each time see where your watch is, and you have to find out. Instead, you can buy something like this. I got it from Amazon. This is very nice, very sturdy, comes of great quality. All you can do is, like, you can easily keep 6 watches in one rectangular box like this, and keep it in your drawer, and that way you can actually see them and pick the right ones as well. So that's all about today's. I know it was a very quick and short one. Let me know if you really like this kind of an organization videos. If so, I've got like really good number of tips. And if you do want to know how I organize my clothes, how I organize my cosmetics, do let me know in the comment section, so that I can also take a tour of my dressing section as well. So having said that, as I always say, cherish every moment of your motherhood. Take care. See ya. Stay at home.